Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Lane J, and today I have some questions right here that I'm gonna answer for you guys. I just found them online. I was like, you know what? I can't think of any more like trans videos, and I love to make trans videos. You know, I love to talk about my experience and everything. But I feel like I've done mostly everything. So you know, I just searched online some stuff, and I came across this website. It's called Pride.com. And I was like, you know what? I'll just react to some of these questions, you know, because it's, what it is 16 questions you will always ask, you've always wanted to ask a trans man. I'm probably not going to do all 16 because some of them are a little weird, but I'm going to do as much as I can. And also another thing is, go down in the description below, check out, I have all my social media if you want to go check them out. And yeah, let's get into it. So the first question is, does testosterone allow you to impregnate a person with a uterus? No. Never thought I'd be answering that question. No, never. Even if I get bottom surgery in the future, which I am planning on it, but it's expensive. So if I get the money, I'll do it. If I don't get the money, then maybe next life I live, you know. But yeah, no, never. I'm never going to be able to impregnate another person, which, you know, I'm fine with that. I'm adopted myself, so adoption is always a thing that I can do if I want a kid. Do hormones make you gay? No, I am bi, like, that's what I would do, bi, pan, whatever, like, I believe that you should like the person for who they are and not their bottom, you know, like, people that, like, bottom, like, their stuff, you know, like, their, like, if they have a PP or a vajay, like, who cares, you know, like, that's just a thing, you know, like, I understand that people have preferences and stuff, but, like, at the end of the day, like, if you, let's just say you really find this person attractive, okay, you find this person very attractive, you date them, and then they finally tell you, like, hey, I'm trans, so, like, I don't have the part that a cis woman or a cis man will have, and then you're, like, really in love with them, like, it's already been, like, 5 dates, and then you'd be like, oh, well, I'm not attracted to that part, and then you leave, like, really? You finally, like, you had a connection with this person, you're gonna leave them because you, I don't know, you won't, I don't know, but, no, it doesn't make you gay. Gay is just who you are, is, like, from birth, you know, you were born being gay, you were born being trans, you're born, you know, you're just born like that. What do you call your junk? I don't really know, I don't think about it. I bet I call it everything in the book, you know, I don't know. I think the one thing I always use, you know, mostly in my videos when I make anything talking about my stuff, I usually probably say, like, downstairs, you know, I'll be like, oh, you know, my downstairs, you know, but I call it probably anything, I don't know. All right, how do you have sex? Like, that one, I'm not really going to answer. I mean, it's pretty obvious. Like, you just have sex like a normal person, you know? I feel like LGBT sex is probably more funner than cis people's sex. Maybe not. I don't know. Why do you transition if you date men? Why not just stay a woman? See, like, some of these questions, like, I shouldn't be answering because I don't date. Well, obviously, I'm dating a woman, but I'm bi, so I've never dated a man before in my life, but what they're trying to say is, like, I can answer this question, but what they're trying to say is they think sexual orientation and gender identity is the same thing, which is two different things. One is your gender did I say it wrong? Gender identity is sexual orientation. Gender identity is how you identify your gender. Sexual orientation is who you like. You know, whether you're gay, bi, straight, you know, you like men, you like women, you like anything, cool. And that's two different things. You're thinking that it's just one thing, which is not. All right. You're bi and trans. You must just be a kink. Will you just have sex with anybody? This is what I like to say about that, okay? I am bi and I am trans. So they're asking if I'm going to have sex with just anybody. This is the same question, so I'm going to ask you, you know. Obviously, most of you guys are trans, but, like, if anyone watching this, because I have haters sometimes, so if you're watching this and you think this, it's just like, okay, you're a cis woman or you're a cis man. You're going to date anyone that walks through that door that's a boy or a girl. Anyone? No, you're not. You know, there's some you know, you have, like, a type, like, oh, I like the jocks, or I like the nerds, or I like the cowboys, or I like the, you know, there's, like, certain kinds, you know. And that's not really my thing. Like, I don't be like, oh, I'm not attracted to cowgirls, cowboys. I am attracted to, you know, that's not me. How, like, I don't really have a type. It's mostly, like, if we can be friends, and we can vibe, and we can talk without arguing all the time, and we like to go travel, you know, traveling, also just, like, making, like, spontaneous choices, like, right away. That's my thing, you know, like, I bought a travel trailer, then sold the travel trailer, bought a conversion van to go van lifing, then we sold it. Like, we're just, like, doing all that, and that's, you know, I think it's fun. Like, at the end of the day, like, it's fun, and that's kind of my type, someone that's just like me, you know, same energy. When did you know? So when did I know I was trans? I've always known, you know, I've always known. I think I pretty much known when, probably I'd say middle schoolish, when I was, like, really pretty good friends with my cousin who was a guy, and he and me, you know, we were just hanging out, and then one day, you know, just started, like, going through our puberties, you know, him going through a guy puberty, me going through a girl puberty, and, like, you know, your boobies get just a little bigger, you know, and it's just like, dude, like, why are we not going through the same one? And we slowly, like, stopped being as close after we went through our puberties, because we're, you know, like, he's the guy and I'm a girl, you know, and it's just like, and that's when I kind of knew, like, bro, like, we were the guys, we were the bros, you know, we hung out, we were bros, you know, and that's just kind of when I knew, like, what's wrong, like, what, like, I was just a normal, you know, like, it was just normal, like, when you're a kid, I know you have, like, a girl and a boy, but at the end of the day, you guys are pretty much normal. You're not going through puberty yet. You're pretty much just the same, you know? And it's just, that's when I kind of knew, you know? And I was just like, dude, why? Why did I have to go through that, you know? And it sucked because I didn't know what trans was. I just knew something was wrong. I did not know exactly what was wrong. I just knew, like, I felt weird going through that kind of puberty. Like, it didn't feel right, you know? And I never really used, like, when I finally, like, had periods, I never really used, like, tampons or pads. I pretty much just, like, grabbed a big toilet paper, just shoved it down there. Yeah. I got in trouble a lot of times. I clogged the toilet. All right, another question is, family and friends accept your transition? I left when I was 18. They did not support me. And my friend, I don't really have friends anymore. You know, after high school, we all went our different ways. So they did support me, though. And I have a lot of siblings, and pretty much all of them support me, I would say. I would say all of them support me as far as I know, you know. My main ones, the ones that I'm closer to, yes, they support me. My siblings. And, you know, that's all that matters, you know. Do you feel like a real man? I don't know how to feel like a real man. Like, what does that mean? But as far as I know what a real man is, yeah. Why are you soft? Men aren't soft. And they're talking about, like Snowflake, you know? Men are soft. You know, men cry too. You don't think they get broken up with, or they lost a football game. You don't think they cry or get sad? Yes, they do. You don't think men get offended and, like, get soft? Because after you get offended, that you're soft, you know, like, oh, like, why, bro, why are you being a snowflake? Why are you getting offended? Because people get offended. Everyone gets offended. You're human, you know. You gotta remember, like, we're all human, so at the end of the day, we're all made up as, like, the same thing, you know. We're all the same creatures, humans. Do you miss being a girl? No. To be completely honest, like, I've had, like, a weird life. Not being trans, but being, like, adopted from a different country, coming here, I've read, like, my documents, and, like, I've been passed around, and even this family obviously didn't want me because I'm trans, and obviously they didn't support me, and so, like, I've just had a very, very bad past life, so, like, I don't even remember anything. Like, I don't remember being a girl. I don't. I've kind of blocked it off till 18, and 19 I started hormones, but 18 when I left my parents' house, that's when I started officially, like, 100%, you know, being Clayton. Like, when I lived there, like, at school, I was still Clayton and everything like that, but at home, I wasn't Clayton. But right when I turned 18, I was officially being Clayton, 100%, and that's all I pretty much remember, 18 years old. I still obviously remember some things here and there, but, like, I think, like, you know, it's just been a very bad life, so I just try to forget everything, you know, and that's what sucks. Like, I'm glad I don't remember anything because I know it's been a very rough life, but it's just maybe my past life was, like, maybe I was really bad in my past life, so this is what I had to be, you know. This is my torture. But no, I don't miss being a girl at all. I don't remember it, and I don't miss it at all. Yeah. Do you think that women are less than you? Wait, do you think that women are less than you? Is that why you transitioned? I don't understand, like, saying that I'm above. I think everyone's equal. I believe in equal rights and everything. So, no, I don't think women are less than me. I think women are awesome. They're amazing, you know. I don't think at all. I think everyone's equal, and I just didn't want to be a woman. I wasn't a woman, you know. I don't know. That's pretty much it. Yeah, you guys, anyone that's trans watching this, comment any of those questions that you want to answer down in the description below, because I want to hear what you guys think. And yeah, it was kind of fun reading them. Some of them kind of like offend me, you know, because like it's like, bro, like why would people ask that questions? But you know, I try to be open with my transition and everything. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. See you guys next video. Bye.